Okay, here's black coffee to the music, all the way through with the call-outs. So weight on your left, we're kicking out with the right. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster step, quarter turn, walk on your right, turn to 3, on your left, turn to 9, heel and heel and heel, clap, step, shimmy, drag and clap, step, shimmy, drag and clap, grapevine, scuff your right, step forward, behind, side, and rock it or spin it, start again, kick. I'll show you without the spin if you don't want to spin in a minute. So rock forward on your right, turn to 12, forward on your left, turn to 6, heel and heel and heel, clap, step, shimmy, drag, step, shimmy, drag, grapevine, scuff your right, forward, behind, to the side, in front. You can rock if you don't want to spin. Start again. Kick, cha-cha-cha. Kick, kick, cha-cha-cha. Turn to 3, rock on your right, turn to 9, on your left, turn to 3, heels and heels and heels. Clap, step, shimmy, drag. I can't shimmy, but just keep trying. Grapevine, scuff, forward, behind, to the side, in front, and pivot, turn, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, turn to 12, rock on your right, turn to 6, on your left, turn to 12, heels and heels and heels, step, shimmy, drag and clap, step, shimmy, drag and clap, grapevine, scuff, forward, behind, to the side, in front, then pivot, turn or just rock, step, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, turn to 9, rock on your right, turn to 3, on your left, turn to 9, heel and heel and heel, clap, step, shimmy, shake whatever you can, grapevine, scuff, step, behind, to the side, in front, then spin or just rock. I'll show you that little rock again. Oh, I nearly fell over then. Woo! We're going to 6, rock on your right, turn to 12, on your left, turn to 6, heels, whatever you can shimmy. I just look ridiculous. Grapevine, scuff, forward, behind, to the side. I'll just do the rock now. Rock instead of spin. Then kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha. Turn to 3, rock on your right, turn to 9, on your left, back to 3, heel and heel and heel, step, shimmy, drag, grapevine, scuff, step, forward, behind, to the side, in front, then pivot, turn or just rock, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, turn to 12, rock on your right, turn to 6, on your left, turn to 12, heel and heel and heel. Gotta love a shimmy, haven't you?